Guys, I'm Sharanya here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do your eyebrows, or how you fill in your eyebrows if you have not threaded for long time. All right, so if you want to see how I do it, keep on watching. This quarantine hasn't been easy on any of us. I don't think there is an exception for this quarantine time. There are so many aspects of life these days that has taken a hit because of this COVID-19 situation. And what I'm going to talk about right now is the least of it, I guess. But I really wanted to touch base on this. If anybody is wondering how to do it, when to do it, and what to do, right? So today's topic is about your bushy eyebrows. Or if you don't have bushy eyebrows, it's fine. Whatever the brow situation you have, that's awesome. You can work with it. It's not the end of the world. So for me, I have not threaded my eyebrows. I usually thread it, if you didn't know. So I have not threaded my eyebrows for so the last time I threaded my eyebrows was in January. It was in India when I visited, and I threaded it just before I flew here. So it's been February, March.
2 hours later.
Into the 6th month. So it's been a long time. Thankfully, my eyebrows are not like super bushy, or I don't have a lot of eyebrow hairs on my eyebrow. So I've been able to manage it. So if you see from the far, you won't see the extra hairs that are coming from above and below. But if you come close, you can see it has lost its shape completely. But I can still see the previous shape that I already had, so I am able to like kind of work around it. All right, so let me start. The only thing that you need is a eyebrow pencil. All right, in my case, eyebrow pencil is quick, easy. It's hard to mess up with it. So this eyebrow pencil is by Pentecost. This is an Europe-based brand, and you can easily get it on Amazon. For the eyebrows, you need to have a eyebrow pencil or any eyebrow product. The shade should be 1 to 2 shades darker. 1 to 2 shades lighter than your roots. So my roots are definitely like dark black, or like a taupey black, right? So I have not colored my hair or anything, so this is almost like black. So this shade is a little bit lighter than my actual hair color. So that's when you know you have a good color or good shade for your eyebrows. This comes with a spoolie at the back end here, which is super helpful. And this is in the shade, I believe it's dark brown or something, but this is not a bad shade at all. So if you see this swatch, you can see. So this is that perfect ashy brown shade. And this is not too pigmented so that like you will get like a dark brown or anything. This is pigmented enough so that you can work with it and will be super gentle on your eyebrows as well, and kind of doesn't take too much time as well. And this is not as dry as some other pencils, for which you might sometimes you have to like drag it onto your hairs and then your eyebrows start falling off. So this is not that dry as well. This is just in between, not too dry, not too creamy. So another thing you need is like a small mirror, or like a close-up mirror. That's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the back end spoolie to brush the hair up. Yeah, brush both the hair up. Just wipe off the excess oiliness on your eyebrows using a paper cloth or like a cloth. All right, so you need kind of like oil-free area to work with. So I'm going to start with the back end of my eyebrow. So here my shape usually is like this, like the so, and then all this hair, that extra. I can't do anything about it. And I did try to thread my own eyebrows and I've been failing miserably. So until I learn properly how to thread my own eyebrows, I'm gonna do this. So what I'm gonna do is, hopefully you remember your previous shape. So from the center, I'm gonna start drawing that my old shape here and go down. So it's okay if you have that extra hair peeking out of that your line. We'll figure that out later. So now you did that, and then start filling upwards. Okay, and from the outer end, I'm going to draw one more line to mark the outer edge of the top part, and also going to like start drawing the upper boundary here. I think it's probably here. Take your time, do small strokes so that you don't mess up, and kind of join it here. So this is my not exactly original shape, but close to my original shape. And then start filling very, very lightly. Now if you feel like you have a lot of product just lying there, just go back to the spoolie and start blending. Don't be harsh, be gentle. So now you can see, now it appears more softer than before. Yeah, now you come to the front part. So here you see where your first hair of the eyebrow is. Mine is like way down here, which is not my starting line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start a stroke upwards from somewhere, like you have to determine which is your starting line. So I'm gonna start doing the upward stroke. Never do horizontal because all the hair in the front is going upwards. So do the upward stroke, single stroke, and as the hair is gonna start like curving here, there you're going to do the exact same shape as your hair is moving. Like you're gonna do the stroke wherever your hair is naturally moving or growing. So in the front it's growing up, and then as you go into this part it's kind of like curving this way, and then here it's all like in a horizontal shape, and then all the way here it's going down. So same way the hair is growing. So if you see here, I kind of have your shape here. I don't know what happened with there. I was talking and then next minute I see that line. So what I do is I just take my finger and then I kind of rub it off. See, it's gone. All right, so now I'm gonna start again and give the nice opposite, like the vertical stroke, and then blend it upwards with the spoolie. If you feel like you need to like rub something, you can always use the back of your hand. I believe this is good for me. And then brush one last time and see if there is any like extra space, see if there is any bald spot there is, and then you can fill it. Okay, and then blend it gently. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Since I've already like explained for this side, I'm not gonna do a lot of explanation, just if I think of anything else, I'm gonna talk about that. So figure out your outer edge, figure out your upper edge, then join them, bring them down, and then start filling. I really like this eyebrow pencil. You should definitely check it out. Now I am brushing with the spoolie, so the brows might not look the same, the exact same. So yeah, now I'm gonna start the beginning part here. So, and then you can like go switch between the close-up mirror and the big mirror and see like how it looks really. Like you can also go like slight. You can also give the shape in the front and then blend it up so that the color gets coated right there. So I feel like here this line is straight and then here the line kind of like slopes down, but it's fine. That's how my hair is growing, so that's how I'm gonna go. And then the tail here, you can like extend it how far you want. No? Some people I have seen online, some people they like kind of hide their extra hairs in the bottom and at the top with some concealer. I'm not gonna do that. Now if you have, now this is done, this much is done, this is your eyebrows. But if you want to set your eyebrows so that all the hairs are sitting in one place for a long period, you just go in with a eyebrow gel, eyebrow setting gel, or like if you're like me, I'm reusing my travel size mascara by Bell People. It's almost dried out, so I'm gonna use this as eyebrow hair setting thingy. This will also kind of give me color because this is black, and also it's almost dried out. It won't give me like black color onto the eyebrow, so I'm gonna just brush all the hairs up into the shape that I want. So if I come closer, so this is how it looks like. You can also use soap, so I'm gonna do that in one more video. This is definitely not the exact shape I had when I used to thread, but I like it. I like this a little bit wider filling of the eyebrows, and I really like this pencil. So again, this pencil is Beneco's Eyebrow Designer by Beneco's Cosmetics, and this is vegan. Alright, so the shade name is just brown. It just says brown, and the shade is not too light, not too reddish, not too ashy as well. The perfect combination. And if you want more darker than that, I believe they might have darker pencil, but I'll leave it in the description below where you can get it. Alright, so I hope you liked it, and I hope your brow game is strong even if you don't fill in your eyebrows normally. But this quarantine, why not try something new, right? So just see if you want to fill in your eyebrows, give them shape, figure out the proper shade of your eyebrows. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you learned some tricks and tips on how to fill in your eyebrows or how to groom your eyebrows when you have not threaded. Thank you so much, and if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and share, comment. I'll definitely answer you in the comment, so don't worry about it. And also please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from me, and I do definitely have more videos planned. And thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Namaste.